Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 33 divided by 33 is equal to 1. Then divide 33 multiply 33 is equal to 1089. Okay. So now 1 divide 1089 is equal to 1 upon 1089. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule. Okay, PEMDAS, PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS, first priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Here multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. And fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction is equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Okay, so here is division, and here is multiplication. All have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. So first we have to solve this part. Okay, so 33 divide 33 is equal to 1 divide 33 multiply 33. Now 1 divide 33 can be written as 1 upon 33 multiply 33. Okay, 1 multiply 33 is equal to 33, then divide 33. Now 33 divide 33 is equal to 1. So the correct answer is 1. Okay, if you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and also do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching this video.